Hello everyone, good evening all of you students. Welcome to our YouTube channel Library Science with Rakesh Meena sir and our team. So guys, today we are going to start our video series lecture number 3rd. So let's start now. This video was helpful for these given examinations. Read carefully and watch till now. The first question of this test series: in which state was not extended for delivery of books and newspaper act? Option number A is the Delhi, option number B is the Rajasthan, option number C is the Jammu and Kashmir, option number D is the Tamil Nadu. So guys, choose the correct answer. The correct answer of this question, option number C. Option number C is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay guys, and delivery of books and newspaper act was implemented in the year of 1954 in India. And the second question of this test series: in which year was appointed full-fledged librarian in Connemara Library? Option number A is 1928, option number B is 1929, option number C is 1931, option number D is 1938. So choose the correct and most appropriate answer. These are 4 options are most commonly. So choose the right and correct answer. The correct answer of this question, option number B. Option number B is 1929. Okay guys. Connemara Library is a public library and it was established in the year of 1896 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Question number 3 is: in which year was opened for the public Connemara Library? Option number first is the 1869, option number B is the 1896, option number C is the 1871, and option number D is 1938. So choose correct right answer. Right answer is the option number B. Option number B is called 1896. Connemara Public Library, it is a established in Tamil Nadu state in Chennai district. And next question of: in which year was UGC InfliBnet established? UGC InfliBnet was in which year established? Option number A is the 1973, option number B is the 1988, option number C is 1982, and option number D is 1979. Choose the most appropriate correct answer guys, quickly and fastly. The most appropriate and correct answer is the option number B. Option number B is 1988. And UGC is a University Grant Commission and InfliBnet are a part of UGC, and we are regulated in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. InfliB full form is Information and Network. And it was established in March 1991. Next question is the: give the full form of ADLA. ADLA stands for: option number A is the Acquisition Development of Library Association, option number B is the Andhra Pradesh Library Association, option number C is the Administration Development of Library Association, option number D is another Development of Library Association. choose the most correct answer. The correct answer of this question, guys, option number B. Option number B is the Andhra Pradesh Library Association. The typing was majorly mistake. The correct is Pradesh. Okay, and the Andhra Pradesh Public Library Association was initiated in the year of 1960 in Andhra Pradesh, and many times was amendment. Next question is the an order of with the supplier to be acted upon until it is a countermanded is called. Option number A is classified order. Option number B is standing order. Option number C is the firm order, and option number D is administrative order. Choose the correct and right answer, guys. The correct answer of this question, option number B. Option number B is standing order. Standing order is regulated and worked from the Industrial Employment Act 1946. Okay, guys, and it has regulated Indian Constitution law. Next question is the which one is not a book selection tool? Option number A is Booksellers Catalog. Option number B is Indian National Bibliography, and option number C is the Publishers Catalog, and option number D is Ulrich Periodical Directory. Choose the most correct and appropriate answer, guys. The correct answer of this question, option number D. Option number D is Ulrich Periodical Directory. It is a directory and it is not a book selection tool. And the option number A, option number B and option number C, these are totally classified for the book selection tool. Next question is expansion of ILA. Sorry, guys, expansions of LLA. Give the full term and full form of LLA. Option number A is the Local Library Advisory. Option number B is the Local Library Acquisition. Option number C is the Local Library Authorities, and option number D is Local Library Amenities. Choose the correct and right answer, guys. The correct and right answer is the option number C. Option number C is Local Library Authorities, the full form of LLA. Next question is the question number 9. Ninth question is CAS stand for, yeah, CAS give the full form. Option number A is the Current Awareness Service. Option number B is the Center for Exiting Service. Option number C is Current Affairs Service, and option number D is Chemical Abstract. Choose the most correct answer, guys. The correct answer of this question, option number A. Option number A is Current Awareness Service. This service was initiated with a few seconds in the face-to-face for book reader and staff of library, and it is implement of few minutes, few days and few hours and few days. Okay, guys, so it is a reference service for give the librarian for book reader. Next question is the question number 10. Question number 10 is the in which year was Passing Delivery of Books Act? Option number A is 1952, option number B is 1954, option number C is the 1964, option number D is 1961. Select the correct right answer, guys, quickly and fast. The correct answer of this question, guys, option number B. Option number B is the, we are doing highlight, option number B is 1954. I will tell you the correct date of Delivery of Books Act. The date of 20th May 1954 was stabilized and founded Delivery of Books Act. Next question is the question number 11. British Book News is an example of which bibliography? Option number A is the subject, option number B is trade, option number C is international newsletter, and option number D is national newsletter. So guys, choose the correct and right answer. Once again, we are discuss the options. Option number A is subject bibliography, option number B is trade bibliography, option number C is the international newsletter, and option number D is national newsletter. The right answer of this question, option number B. Option number B is called trade bibliography. The main purpose of trade bibliography to sort the list of books and research papers. Next question is the question number 12. 12th question is the development of public library system in India started early in the year of. Option number A is 1909, option number B is 19110, option number C is 1911, and option number D is 1908. Choose the correct answer for the development of public library system in India first time. Select the right answer, guys, quickly and fastly. I hope enjoy the test series and give the comments, and please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Library Science with Rakesh Meena sir. The right answer of this question is 1910. Okay, 1910 was Maharaja Siyajirao Gaokar III was called the W.A. Borden to initiated and expand the public library system in India, was organized and formally worked. Next question of this test series is the open access increase the usage of books according to the laws. They are discussing the 5 laws of library science. The first option is first law of library science, second option is third law of library science, third option is second law of library science, and last option is fourth law of library science. So guys, choose the correct answer. The correct answer of this test series and this question is option number A. Option number A is first law of library and information science. So guys, we are discuss the first law of library, the name of books for use. Full. This is the first law of library and information science. Next question is the question number 14. How many steps involved to POP-SI indexing system? Option number A is the 12 steps, option number B is 10 steps, option number C is 8 steps, and option number D is 6 steps. The right answer is Option number C. Option number C are the 8 steps of POP SI indexing system. Firstly guys, we are discussing POP SI full form. The full form of POP SI indexing system is postulated based permuted subject indexing and it was founded in the year of 1969 and by G. Bhattacharya. That means Ganesh Bhattacharya. And we are discussing all 8 steps of POP SI indexing system. The first step is the analysis. And second is formalization. Third is modulation. Fourth is the standardization. Fifth is the preparation of EOC. And sixth is decision about TA. And seventh is the preparation of EAC. And last is the alphabetization. Okay guys, I hope we are learned the 8 steps of POP SI indexing system. Next question is the question number 15. 15 is the UGC says. Option number A is books are for use. Option number B is library is the heart of university. And option number C is the every reader has his book. And option number D is library is a growing organism. So choose the correct and right answer guys, fast and quickly. The correct answer of this question, UGC says library is the heart of university. Option number B is the correct answer is this question. Okay, and option number A is first law of library and information science. And next question is the question number 16. Question number 60 is the first Indian national bibliography was published by National Library of Kolkata in the year of. So guys, discuss the first national bibliography was published National Library of Kolkata in the year of. Option number A is the 1957. Option number B is 1958. Option number C is 1958. Option number D is 1959. Sorry guys, 2 options are the common in this question, so choose the correct answer. The correct answer of this question, option number C and option number B. These are same options, so pick anyone. Option number B or option number C, 1958. Next question of question number 17. Who was the author of the book My Experiments with Truth? Option number A is Jawaharlal Nehru. Option number B is Gandhi. Option number C is Ravindranath Tagore. And option number D is the Sarojini Naidu. Choose the correct answer, guys, and pick the select option. The correct answer of this question, option number B. Option number B is the Gandhi. The Mahatma Gandhi was author of this book, My Experiment with Truth. Okay. And next question is the video series. Question number 18. The first printing press established in India at. Option number A is Madurai. Option number B is Mumbai. Option number C is the Kolkata. And option number D is Tharganpadi. These are typing mistake of typewriter. The option number D. D is the correct answer. This place was situated in Tamil Nadu state. And first printing press was established in the place. Next question is the question number 19. The National Knowledge Commission (NKC) is constituted by India under the chairmanship of. Option number A is the Dr. P.N. Rao. Option number B is the Dr. S.V. Gupta. Option number C is the Sam Pitroda. And option number D is the Dr. Anant Krishna. Choose the correct and most appropriate answer, guys, fastly and quickly without wasting time. The correct answer of this test series and this question is option number C. Option number C is the Sam Pitroda. NKC was founded in the year of 13th June 2005, and it has headquarters of New Delhi. Okay, guys, and the last question of this video series: a good librarian should be a. Option number A is well qualified and have administrative ability. Option number B is administrative ability. Option number C is high qualification. And option number D is user friendly. So guys, choose the correct answer fast. Option number A is most appropriate, well qualified and have administrative ability. Option number B is administrative ability. Yes, of course, a good librarian have a administrative ability. And option number C is high qualification. Yes, sure, a good librarian should having highly qualified professional. And option number D is most commonly. So the correct answer of this question is option number A. Option number A is well qualified and having administrative ability. Those called good librarians should be work in public library and universities library. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video series, and thank you for watching our video, and give the likes and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.